CRCL stock analysis and CRCL stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the space that's done 43,000 videos over 5 years. I'm not just saying this, I actually have all the proof documented on my YouTube channel. It's taken me 5 years and tens of thousands of dollars of my own money. But ultimately, I began making videos when this thing was like 76 bucks. And here's the literal proof of that. There you go, 76. It's a month ago. And then only if I see some sort of like a proper double break, I'm going to look to take things further up. And if that's not the case, bro, then I'm not buying, really. So yeah, I would just like to see the price, you know, to pull down and then give me that second break. And then and only then I would look to take things further up. But if that's not the case, then I guess so be it, you know, like not everything's supposed to be traded. And yeah, I do have like 19 results here, which is sad, like not sad, sick. But if you want the exact play formula and my exact process plus the Discord, absolute risk free, just click the first link in the description. Check it out.